Hey guys, Dotch here, and I'm back with more tips on how you can improve your audio. If the volume on your mic is too loud, your audio may be peaking or clipping. For example, this is what it sounds like when your audio is peaking. This is what it sounds like when it isn't. Peaking? Not peaking. Now, if you're narrating a story that may require you to be loud, you should adjust your mic's volume before you start recording. Audio clipping isn't something you can fix in post, but you can raise the volume of your audio if you find that you may have set the mic's volume too low. You should still be mindful of whether your audio is peaking, in case your narration gets louder than you anticipated. Well, I hope this helps you to better prepare before you start recording. And don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will be back soon with more tips on how you can improve your audio.